Today we're going to focus on how to write decimals in expanded form. So here I have 4 and 32 hundredths. To write that in expanded form, I need to represent my ones, which is 4, plus my tenths, which is 3/10, plus my hundredths, which is 2 hundredths. So 4 and 32 hundredths in expanded form is 4 plus 3/10 plus 2 hundredths. Here I have 6 and 87 hundredths. To write that in expanded form, I have 6 ones plus 8/10 plus 7 hundredths. So 6 and 87 hundredths in expanded form is 6 plus 8/10 plus 7 hundredths. Here I have 5 and 12 hundredths. To represent that in expanded form, I need to do 5 plus my 1/10 plus my 2 hundredths. The 5 and 12 hundredths in expanded form is 5 plus 1/10 plus 2 hundredths. 9 and 6 hundredths in expanded form is 9 plus, I don't have any tenths, so I just need to add my 6 hundredths. So 9 and 6 hundredths in expanded form is 9 plus my 6 hundredths. Here I have 20 and 59 hundredths. So to write that in expanded form, I need to represent my tens, which is 20, plus I do not have any ones, so I need to add my 5/10, plus my 9 hundredths. So 20 and 59 hundredths is 20 plus 5/10 plus 9 hundredths. Here I have 56 and 71 hundredths. So to write that in expanded form, I need to represent my tens, which is 5, so that's 50, plus my ones, which is 6, plus my tenths, which is 7/10, plus my hundredths, which is 1/100. So 56 and 71 hundredths in expanded form is 50 plus 6 plus 7/10 plus 1/100. Here I have 70 and 7 hundredths. To write that in expanded form, I need to represent my tenths, which is 7/10, so that's 70. Plus, I do not have any ones or any tenths, but I do have 7 hundredths. The 70 and 7 hundredths is 70 plus 7 hundredths. Here I have 44 and 28 hundredths. So to write this in expanded form, I need to represent my tens, which is 4, so 40, plus my ones, which is 4, plus my tenths, which is 2/10, plus my hundredths, which is 8 hundredths. So 44 and 28 hundredths is 40 plus 4 plus 2/10 plus 8 hundredths. Here I have 91 and 3 hundredths. So to write that in expanded form, I need to represent my tens, which is 9 tens or 90, plus my 1, plus I do not have any tenths, so just my 3 hundredths. The 91 and 3 hundredths in expanded form is 90 plus 1 plus 3 hundredths. And finally, 822 and 4/10 in expanded form. I need to represent my hundreds, which is 8 or 800, plus my tens, which is 2 or 20, plus my ones, which is 2, plus my 4/10, which is 4. So 822 and 4/10 in expanded form is 800 plus 20 plus 2 plus 4/10.